What is going on? So I just came back from having an amazing lunch, took out my sister out for sushi, had a great time. But I'm going to show you here, while I was eating lunch, eating some great sushi, I was still getting paid. I'm actually going to show you here on my business track here. So I'm going to go ahead and click there, and you can see it's actually loading. You can see there it's loading. And just today alone, today's the 31st of January, right? It's Wednesday, you can see right there. I've made over $1,000 already on complete autopilot. 1,042. I'm actually gonna show you that one more time. I'm gonna exit out of this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click on the business profile again. One more time, you can see right there, it's loading, it says loading, okay? Again, over $1,000 made today on complete autopilot, and all I've been doing today is pretty much relaxing during the morning and having some lunch. It's 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The day isn't even over yet. Definitely got to cross over $1,500 today, running my business from my smartphone. Okay, I'm gonna show you here on my email, and show you on my email here, and click on First Data. That's my merchant account. And these are all the different notifications of payments that I've been getting. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that, and just show you what is possible when you make a decision to become successful. All these are notifications of payments here. You can see here that's a $25 commission, but I could go on and show you all the different payment amounts that I've been receiving. That's a $100 commission here. I'm gonna scroll down and find another payment here. That's another $100 commission at 7 in the morning while I was still sleeping. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down again, and that's at 1:27 p.m. and that's a $25 commission. So guys, it's all about positioning yourself to getting paid on a daily basis, okay? Again, what you want to do, you want to get started with my team. What we're doing here is copying and pasting pre-written ads from social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Craigslist, on YouTube. Right, I'm just going to show you here my Facebook profile, let you know that I'm a real person, right? And so I'm going to just scroll down here, and that's my beautiful family. And you know, this morning I woke up with over $700. So I made $700 while I was sleeping, and this is just my screenshot this morning at 8:19 Pacific Standard Time. So guys, anything is possible. You can see right here, I mean, I love to inspire people. So this is me. My beautiful sister's birthday just passed, so we took her out to dinner and stuff. But anyways, you know, this is just me. That's my beautiful family. So I'm nothing to hide, pretty much. That's what I'm saying. This is a direct sales business where you can position yourself to start earning 100% commission. The awesome thing about this business opportunity is that there's no monthly fees. It's literally a one-time investment that could change your life. You definitely want to get started. What's going to happen after you get started? You're going to get access to my step-by-step training. The same training that me and my team members are using to generate $300 a day, to generate $1,000 a week, $5,000 a month. You're going to get access to that same training. You will be added inside of our private coaching group. You can see right here, we have over 5,000 team members having great success, okay? So you definitely want to take advantage of that. This is the place where you can actually go ahead and, you know, comment. If you have any questions, always comment there. You know, these are just the team members welcoming here other team members, but we have the private coaching group. We also have the file section. Inside of the file section, you'll see some powerful training that's going to teach you how to close your sales. It's going to teach you the strategies, the training that you need to know in order to create the lifestyle that you want and that you desire. So you definitely want to get access to my step-by-step training and get you up and running, especially if you're tired of struggling, especially if you want to create your own schedule, become your own boss, and possibly fire your boss if you have a 9-to-5 job that you go to currently right now. So again, I want you to go ahead and visit my website. Go to www.richmindsets.com. I'm actually going to go ahead and put it here so you can see what it looks like. So yes, you want to go ahead and go to richmindsets.com. That's what my website looks like. You want to go ahead and enter your email address there so you can get the information. And actually, I just got paid right now. I'm actually going to show you. I just got paid. I got a notification. I'm actually reloading it. But here it is. Here it is. So you can see right there, First Data, customer information here. I'm going to cover that, but I got another $25 commission. You can see right there. So go ahead and get started. You know, I'm going to invite you to go to www.richmindsets.com. get started with my team today. Get access to my $5,000 per month blueprint. There are 3 different levels to the business. You definitely want to come in at the highest level, because at the highest level you do get access to my 5K per month blueprint, and you will position yourself to earn not only just $25 commissions, but also $1,500 commissions, and you also get a free website. So definitely want to take advantage of that. Anyways, take action today. Other than that, I will see you at the top.